How to join English server in Roblox. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about joining an English speaking server in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser and search for BT Roblox, which is a popular and safe extension with 4 million users. Click on Add to Chrome to install it. After that, refresh your Roblox game in your browser. Search for any game in the Experience section and load the game. Scroll down to see the list of different servers along with their ping. Click on the gear icon to access BTR settings. Scroll down to the Advanced tab and click on it. Then select Game Details. Choose your preferred region, and after selecting a region, close the settings window and refresh the page. You will now see a list of different regions. Exclude any full regions and look for the server in the United States, such as Miami, Florida, which should be an English-speaking server. And that's it. You now know how to find English-speaking servers in Roblox. I hope this helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.